Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. Today in School for Elders, I have a very beautiful and amazing story of Rukhsana Manzoor. Rukhsana Manzoor is from Kashmir, and uh, she has been teaching from past 2 decades, and cooking being her passion. She decided that now in her mid 50s she will start her entrepreneurial journey. Yes, my dear friends. So she said that age is just a number and you can do wonders. And place like Kashmir and conservative family like there where people say that we don't have much facilities, right? So this lady has started her business and it's skyrocketing. And she said that my children have been my support, my family is very supportive and encouraging, and she wanted to explore cooking as a profession also at this age. And I mean, she looks very young and beautiful. And the thing is, um, she has just took the help of internet, and for those who wanted to have fresh food, those who wanted to have home cooked food, however they are not getting chance or time without any preservatives. So her business is doing very well. She has taken help of her children in that, and they have actually marketed, done all the marketing for her. And she is amazing, she's fantabulous. You should actually go through her story. I'll be posting the link of that particular news and in the description box. um, and her daughter is also married. Still her daughters are also helping, everyone is helping her. So if you have purpose, if you have any passion, whole universe will support you. So today I have a very simple and beautiful wellness mantra. you know if you really want to be abundant of love, if you really want to be abundant of everything, just adopt one habit of giving to the one who are very generous and benevolent to you. By giving, no one becomes poor, right? If I have surplus, I give that only, right? So here is a take. Suppose if you are in an abusive relationship with anyone, be it your parent, child, spouse, or be it your be it your mm, relatives, be it your friends, anyone with whom you are in abusive relationship, you should stop supply of everything. However, keep your supply of giving from far away. You just take back your power, take back your energy. Stop giving anything. Just give blessings. I mean, to the universe, that they are also part of my soul. God bless them with wisdom, bless them with uh, serenity, right? There is a serenity prayer also, right? Please grant me the courage to accept the things. Please grant me the wisdom to um, accept the things which I cannot change. Sorry, please grant me the strength to change the things to accept the things which I cannot change, courage to accept the things which I can change, and wisdom to know the difference, right? So that is the serenity prayer also. So it's a very long prayer. However, I've just told you 3 lines. So, I mean, wisdom is required, right? To know the difference where we are wrong, where we are right. So, this is my wellness mantra. Give, always be giving. Here also you are giving, you're just praying, you're just keeping them in prayers and blessings that God should grant them wisdom. I'm giving, right? Because they should not do this with anyone else, what they are doing with you, right? If they are taking advantage, if they are doing anything wrong, so they should not be doing. However, you feel certain joy when you give. I have spoke about serotonin hormone also. So sharing and caring is the wellness mantra. Please keep on sharing, keep on giving. Even if you're going to someone's house, it's not necessary you need to bring gifts. You bring your positive energy. Even if a rose you are getting, anything, so that will do wonders. They feel honored, they feel generous, right? They are giving you hospitality, please take something with you when you're going at someone's place or you're visiting someone, right? So that's my wellness mantra. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you.